You guys want to find out a free way to get a turkey dinner on Easter? Well, you better watch this video. Hey everybody, my name's Jordy Johnson from Carve Fusion. This is going to be a quick video for you. My neighbor Lawrence found this hammerhead and he asked me to clean it up for him yesterday, so I cleaned it up with my little flap sander and some emery cloth. And he put this handle on himself. He asked me if I could carve there's his Lawrence something something something, if I can carve that in for him and burn the handle. So you guys, if you want to fix up old hammers, make them clean, just use sandpaper, whatever you got to do. I'm going to have to sand the shine off, then I'm going to burn it, right? But when you do the carving on this is going to be a light carving. When you do the carving on the hammer, you should do it down here, not up here, because when you do it up here, you're going to degrade the wood, right? So it could break when they're using the hammer. So anyways, I got these little Dremel, I got these little metalworking burrs, okay? You get these on Amazon. They're listed below in my Amazon store. I believe these are $20, these sets. So you're basically, there's 20 burrs in here. You're basically paying $1 a burr. So which one I'm going to use today is this little flame-shaped burr, okay? So I'm going to do the initials, then I'll sand it, then I'll burn it, and then I'll finish it. Okay guys, so this is how you turn a rusty old hammer into something that somebody will cherish forever. Maybe his grandkids will be like, my grandpa built our house with this hammer. So there you go, Lawrence. There's your road find. Good project for anybody to do. Thanks for the turkey dinner, Lawrence and family. Great job.
Hey Jordy, make sure you eat your vegetables.
Why don't you take a double backflip? Fuck right off.